Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we do not have any kind of options which can be manually customized. It is because we are using automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options just by tapping on those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date or set date option. And here choose it from this calendar, tap on done. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and by swiping set the time you want to use. Tap on done, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got all available regions from which we can choose, so find yours and tap on it, for example this one, it will be immediately applied. Of course, beware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. You can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. Currently we are using 12-hour format. If you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher to apply it, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar also. So this is the manual customization of the date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.